Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to list an apartment for rent on Facebook. Now if you want to list your apartment on rent for Facebook but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Facebook app. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on the device. And after that, you just need to open the Facebook app. So as you can see, this is the home page of Facebook where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various things at the very upper taskbar. Now to list an apartment for rent on Facebook, you just need to click on the option of marketplace, and from here you just need to click on the option of sale and click on the option of create listing, and on the listing page you'll see the option of one item, vehicle, property for sale or sell event. So click on the option of properties for sale, and here you just need to add the photos, titles for the apartment, price for it, and you just need to select the categories like if it is for sale or if it is for rent. So select the option accordingly, and you just need to give the condition of the properties, description for it, and you just need to select the location where you are trying to sell your property or trying to give your apartment for rent. And after doing all of it, if you want this to hide from your friends, you just need to turn on the option hide from friends and click on the option of next, which is at the very top right, and you just need to follow the on-screen instruction after that, and you'll be able to list an apartment for rent on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.